All right, so let me set the scene. You just did a windshield repair. It's a perfect repair. You polish it out. Now it's time to clean the windshield. But I'm going to help us out today with a little tech tip. I'm going to take it out to the New England area. I got the homie Chris with us from SprayX. So Chris, tell us more about SprayX and more about what you do.
Sure, definitely. Corey, thanks for having me on, man. SprayX, it's your professional foaming glass cleaner. Foaming glass cleaner has obviously been used for a very long time inside of the auto glass industry. It is the premium type of a glass cleaner. The reason why ours is a lot better, I'll say, is we do a few different things. First off, we have a 360 valve inside of it, so you can spray this can upside down, right side up. Along with that, we do a few different things inside of the formulation. The main thing, though, that you'll find with our product is when you spray it, it stays where it's supposed to be, which it foams. So along with that, I'll give you a little bit of the history of the company itself. We were founded a little over 10 years ago by an actual Spray Away alumni, not the Spray Away formulation. We are our own particular formulation, but he was over there for quite some time, got to work with the founder, created his own formulation, and really found out what we needed to do to keep that professional glass cleaner in the industry that you guys need, because we know that you need to have a perfectly clean glass before you install and after you install it. So that's the key thing for it.
Yeah, so that makes sense. Appreciate the history on that of the formulation and about the company. So let's jump right into glass cleaner 101. So to clean the windshield, urban legend says you need to I heard use newspaper to clean it. You can use paper towels. You can use a microfiber towel, but break it down to me. What's needed to clean a windshield?
The number one thing that you need is a high quality glass cleaner, and you need a lint-free towel. That could be a microfiber. That could be one of the paper lint-free towels. Those are the two key things. The newspaper, at one point that may have been an effective use. The problem that you have with the newspaper these days is if you actually hit a dry spot or anything, all you're going to end up doing is taking that ink on that paper and just spreading it right across the glass. So I would not suggest anybody to use newspaper anymore. You can actually add contaminants to the glass by doing that if you don't do it. But yes, that was something that people did back in the day.
Got you. Appreciate that. So microfiber towel are basically just lint-free paper towel. So I got my lint-free paper towel. I'm ready to rock and roll. So run me through like, do I put a lot of glass cleaner on? Do I go minimum amount of glass cleaner? How should I actually clean this windshield?
Yeah, so let's talk a little bit about that. So when you take the can itself, you want to take it out, you put it, and you want to coat the whole entire windshield itself. You want to get a nice even layer all across it. Okay. From that point, what you really want to do is you want to treat it like you'd be cleaning anything else. You want to actually lightly massage in all of that glass cleaner to be able to get into those contaminants and lift them up off of the glass. Okay. Once you've got that massaged all down and you kind of go in there, then you come back with the dry side of the towel, and then you do your wipe and your buff from there. What that does is that allows the time for the glass cleaner to actually do what it's supposed to do. The foaming action starts to lift it up. The wiping of it starts to do the agitation, and then the drying of it removes all of those contaminants. So that's what leaves you a true contaminant-free surface out there. If you're ever suspect that you want to double check, all you have to do is just respray again. And then if you don't see anything that dissipates where a contaminant may be, you have a contaminant-free surface. You can just dry it off and be good to go.
Okay. So I got that. So I'm gonna spray it, get it saturated with it, clean it, put some elbow grease in it, right? When I'm scrubbing it, right?
No, you want to actually just do a nice little light massage on it. Light massage, because if you go too hard on it, you can kind of end up pushing, and you end up drying it. Really, is what you kind of do. You really want to make sure that you get that good coating on it. Make sure you still see a nice little wet film on it after you do that massaging. Then you want to do the buff off.
Okay, that's cool. So really coat it, light massage, flip the towel, rub it again. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
So is it any rhyme or reason on doing it? Should I go east to west, north, south, or does it really matter if I go which way when massaging in? Should I go left or right, up and down, or does it matter?
Yeah. No, that's a personal preference. It don't really matter on that part. The main thing is that you massage the whole thing, you get that cleaner in there, and that you dry off the whole windshield.
Gotcha. Well, now, I've been cleaning the windshield, never probably done it the right way, but I did get it clean. And when doing the inside and outside, same method, just do the same thing, inside and outside.
Same method. And that's what really makes our can really nice for the inside of it, is because when you get that 360 valve, you can spray it just like this, and you don't have to worry about anything ever like sputtering out or anything like that. So you can still get that nice even coat on that, right where the windshield meets the dashboard, where everybody hates to get to. That's that spot. Nobody likes to clean that spot. Everybody gets that all streaked up and everything. That's why our can makes it real nice and easy for you to get into that part, clean it up.
Gotcha. Well, I appreciate that, man. Like, it's great Glass Cleaner 101. This is helpful for me and helpful for others within the auto glass industry. So if someone wants to get SprayX, I know I got my can here. I know I think this is the bigger can, but I know you guys have different sizes. Also, I've been to different glass shops before, and I see technicians. I actually got it in one customer's car one time. They were working on the car, and when he finished, he had a bottle of this they left in the cup holder. So I think it had his logo on there. So tell me more how y'all can you customize these and what?
Yeah, we sure can. Yeah, definitely, Corey. Sorry to step on you like that. Definitely, we can do private label, so we can create a smaller run, little as 600 cases for 600 cans. I apologize, not 600 cases. 600 cans or 50 cases, and we can literally customize that label to fit your shop's information on there. Your name, your information doesn't have any of our information on it. Same premium formulation that you get with the SprayX branded product. Along with that, you also get a QR code on the back, and you still get the 360 valve on that private label. So what you were saying with people dropping it in the cup holder, shameless self-promotions, man. Everybody likes to do that. We love to go ahead and get our information out. So it's a great way to just leave the can in on there, put it to the job, and then that customer is walking out with your information on it and still a high-quality glass cleaner like the SprayX itself.
That's what's up, because everybody got glass, man. Wherever you got windows, you can use the glass cleaner. So like you said, it's a good shameless plug. So appreciate you for the information. And if someone wants to get SprayX, just regular glass cleaner, if they want the custom logo on it, how do they purchase SprayX, and how can they reach you?
We make it actually available through all of the major auto glass distributors. So you can get both the private label program and you can get our branded program right through there. So next time you got to go pick up a piece of glass, just ask for some SprayX glass cleaner and they'll throw it onto your order for you. If anybody ever needs to get in contact with us, you can always go to our website, which is sprayx.com, or you can reach out to us at sprayx@technicalchemical.com. We do reach out to our customers. We love to hear feedback. We love to hear how it works for you guys. I love any kind of stories out there. So good, bad, or indifferent, bring it on to me. I love it. We like to always work and really keep involved with what the professionals need out there.
Well, I appreciate the information, man. What I'm going to do now that I got it down pack, I'm going to get my lint-free paper towel. I'm going to get the glass on with a good amount. I'm going to massage it in, flip it over, dry it. So I'm going to actually go do this based upon what you said. So I appreciate the glass cleaner information. And I appreciate you for your time, man. And hopefully this helps a lot of other people on actually the right way of cleaning the windshield.
I appreciate you having me on here, Corey. Thank you so much.
All right, no problem, brother. Take care.
You too.
All right.